Yata.
Meet the mom. Mom, we're here.
Oh, finally, I'm starving. Hi.
Hi, Mom.
Good evening po. Para po sa inyo.
Mom, this is Maru, aking girlfriend.
Tita, the lasagna's ready. Babe! Ang tagal mo naman. I was waiting for you.
Trina, anong ginagawa mo dito?
Actually, I invited her. You wanted me to get to know your girlfriend. So that's what I'm doing. I'm getting to know your girlfriend. At hindi pala ikaw yun.
Mom!
What? Don't worry about it. Trina explained everything to me. Alam ko na lahat-lahat ng kwento. That she's your real girlfriend. At nagmamaang-maangan pala tong si Alalay to be your girlfriend. Taking all the credit and the limelight, correct?
What are you guys talking about? Both of you guys are getting everything wrong. Maru here is my girlfriend. Okay?
Hindi. Tama po si Trina. Dating PA po ako ni Brian at andito po ako kasi... Brian. Dinala ko po yung in-order ng cake.
I thought so.
No.
Yun lang. Ayos na po.
Maru, stay.
Brian.
Ikaw aking girlfriend, you stay. Hindi na pala, Maru.
You don't have to pose anymore. I know the truth. It's okay. Go ahead, Iha. It's okay. Oh, why'd you take the cake? Take it. I don't understand what's the problem here.
Maru! Maru! Maru, please, wait. Maru, please. Wala akong kinalaman dito and I had no idea Trina will be here. Maniwala ka, please.
Huwag ka na mag-explain. Bumalik ka na sa loob kasi inindi ka na ng mommy at ng girlfriend mo.
No. Trina is not my girlfriend anymore. She knows that, please. Maru.
Kung talagang wala na kayo, bakit ibang balita ay nakarating sa mami mo, Brian? Sana man lang in-inform mo ko para hindi ako pumunta ka sa loob.
Look, maniwala ka sa akin. It is clear kay Trina na break na kami. Nag-usap na kami. Please. Maru. Ano kami? Ikaw girlfriend ko, di ba? Maru.
Brian? Brian, what's taking so long? The food's getting cold.
Sige na, pumasok ka na sa loob.
Maru, you can stay. It's okay. We can talk, please. I won't eat. I'll stay here.
Pagod na ako. Uwi na ako. Kaya ko uwi mag-isa. Okay?
Maru.
Okay na, Brian. Sorry po.